Good day, I am here at the chemistry laboratory of PCCR. I am very excited to visit this lab because it is one of the most useful laboratories for criminology students. First question, why are you excited? I am excited to try this laboratory because it will let me experience how chemicals and experiments are used in understanding evidence. Second question, skills you expect to gain. From this lab, I expect to gain skills in handling laboratory tools, mixing and chemicals safely, and learning how reaction can help in solving cases. Third question, connection to career. This skill will help me in my criminology journey because chemistry is very important in crime investigation, especially in testing and analyzing evidence. And thank you for watching my blog. The chemistry laboratory is big help for my learning and for my future career as a criminologist.